What's the best way to clean your white wall tires? So Coker Tire sells a ton of white wall tires. How do you help your customers to keep those white walls looking as spotless as these display tires?
It's a great question. The best way to keep your white wall tire looking white for a long time is to clean it frequently
Okay,
and use our Coker Tire approved wide white wall cleaner. It's very easy to use. All you have to do is wet the tire and the wheel. You spray the product on the tire,
okay,
black and the white part of the tire. Let it sit for a minute or two, agitate it with a plastic bristle brush, and then rinse it off. We always want to get any kind of cleaner off our wheels and just rinse the tire and the wheels really well, and that's all you need to do.
as we know, these get dirty with brake dust and other road grime and whatnot. They start to turn a little brown. Is it a visual thing? Once you start seeing the color change, you just get out the brush and the bottle and clean them?
Right, so what we always recommend is anytime you wipe your car down or you wash it, I'd wash the tires too. Wash them really well, give them a good scrub. Our cleaner does not contain any bleach or silicone. Our cleaner is actually approved by our manufacturer to not discolor the white wall or cause any extra damage to it. Some soaps, some abrasives will actually damage the white rubber, cause them to crack. It will leach some of the natural oils and waxes out of the rubber. So our product is citrus based and it's safe to use on white wall tires. It's made for white rubbers, not just soap.
Okay.
So we recommend cleaning your white wall tires every time you'd wipe your car down or you'd wash your car. Obviously, if someone drives a long distance or you do a 500-mile road trip, I definitely recommend washing your tires and scrubbing your white wall as well. It's the best way to keep them clean and looking white.
And you mentioned the actual white rubber that's part of the mold. So you would use that product for a white leather tire as well.
That's a great question. Absolutely. Yeah, a raised white leather tire, a red line tire, pin white, narrow white, or wide white, all those applications.
Any light colored rubber sidewall, whether it be a stripe or a band or lettering.
Correct. Absolutely. Safe to use on all of it.
All right, now we know how to keep our white walls and our white leather tires clean. Thanks for watching.